To enable USB debugging on a Xiaomi 17, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to go to About Phone, and then you want to keep tapping the OS version until you need to enter your screen lock password. Once you do so, you will see a message that you are now a developer. Afterwards, we're going to go back to Settings and scroll down to Additional Settings, to go to Additional Settings. And then in here, scroll down again in order to find the Developer Options. Once we go to Developer Options, you should be able to scroll down just a little bit in order to find the USB debugging option, which we can of course enable over here by tapping on this switcher. You will see this danger information because this is a highly sensitive service, and if you want to use it, of course, we need to select that we are aware of possible risks, and we want to press OK after 10 seconds. There is also USB debugging with security settings, so we can turn this option on as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.